Clamp the plastic leverage board to a work surface using the two included trigger clamps. Line up the front filters with the leverage board. Gently wedge the included screwdriver between the retainer clips and the cage base. Extract the coarse mesh and used filter and insert a new filter followed by the coarse mesh. Insert the blue retainer into the groove at the top of the filter opening, and then swing it down. Apply light pressure in the direction of the top of the filter opening, and then apply forceful downward pressure at the base of the clips. An audible click verifies the clips are secure.